In this session, we are going to discuss about toast and menu in Android. So, let's understand toast. Toast is a small message that appear on the screen for some moment. It is used to display message like error message and when user completes some process. A toast provides simple notification about an operation in a small pop-up. It only occupies the space required for the message and the current activity remains visible and interactive. Toast is a passive, non-blocking user notification that shows a simple message at the bottom of the user screen as shown in below figure. Here in this figure you can see that toast message which denote download process is completed. The toast class includes a static makeText method that creates a standard toast display window. It requires to pass the application context, the text message to display and the length of time to display it. Length underscore short or length underscore long into the makeText method to construct a new toast. Once a toast has been created, display it by calling show method as shown in below. In this example, first of all you have to override onCreate method, which is the initialization of activity in Android. Then declare variables which are used as an argument in makeText method. Then call makeText method to create toast display window. Then show method is called to display to toast message. When you run this application, the toast is displayed as shown in below figure. Now let's understand menu. Menus are a common user interface component in many types of application. It is generally used to provide extra functionality to Android application like setting, search, create folder. Menus are useful for displaying additional options that are not directly visible on the main UI of an application. There are two types of menus in Android: option menu and context menu. Option menu. Option menu display options related to the current activity. In Android, you activate the option menu by pressing the menu item. To implement and display the option menu for the activity, you need to implement two methods in your activity: onCreate options menu and onOptions item selected. Let's understand option menu through example. In this activity main.xml file, create relative layout. In main.activity.java file, first of all override onCreate method, then call onCreate option menu method which takes menu as argument and adds a series of menu items to it. Then to add menu item, create an instance of the menu item class and use add method of menu object. Add method takes 4 arguments. First argument describes group identifier that the menu item should be part of. Use 0 if an item is not in a group. So here menu item is not the part of any group, so we use 0. Second argument denotes the unique item ID. Third one argument denotes the order in which the item should be displayed. Here item 1 is the first displayed on menu item list, so it takes 0 as order ID. Then item 2 is second displayed on menu item list, so it takes 1 as order ID and so on. Fourth argument describes the text to display for the menu item. Then override on option item selected method which takes menu item as argument. Get item ID method through you can get the ID of item, and through switch case you can determine the menu item that is selected and display toast message according to matching case of switch case. The onCreate option menu method is called when the menu button is pressed, which implements and display the option menu as shown in below figure. The onCreate option menu method takes a menu as argument and adds a series of menu items to it. To add a menu item to the menu, you create an instance of the menu item class and use the add method of the menu object. The four arguments of the add method are as follow. First one is group ID. It is group identifier that the menu item should be part of. Use 0 if an item is not in a group. Second one is item ID, a unique item ID. Third one is order, the order in which the item should be displayed. And fourth one is title, the text to display for the menu item. When a menu item is selected, the onOptions item selected method is called, which takes menu item as argument and checks its ID to determine the menu item that is selected. It then displays a toast message to let the user know which menu item was selected. In this figure, you can see that you press on the first menu item, which is item 1, then it's give output like shown in this figure. Context menu. Context menu display options related to a particular view on an activity. In Android, to activate a context menu, you tap and hold on to it. If you want to associate a context menu with a view on an activity, you need to call the set onCreate context menu listener method of that particular view. Let's understand context menu through example. In activity main.xml file, implement relative layout and create button view as UI component. In strings.xml file, declare string variable which are used in this example. In mainActivity.java file, first of all override onCreate method, then call findViewById method to get ID of button view, then call set onCreate context menu listener method of the button view to associate it with a context menu. Then override onCreate context menu method to implement and display context menu. Then override onContext item selected method to determine the menu item that is selected. In the preceding example, you call the set onCreate context menu listener method of the button view to associate it with a context menu. When the user taps and holds the button view, the onCreate context menu method is called, which implements and display context menu as shown in below. When a menu item is selected, the onContext item selected method is called which takes menu item as argument and checks its ID to determine the menu item that is selected. It then displays a toast message to let the user know which menu item was selected, and it's give output like you can see that in this figure. So I hope you like this session, and please comment, share and like this video and keep in touch to see another video. Thank you.